Okay, here's a quick demo of the Newbound Content Management System. Okay, as you can see, we have a number of tabs, but we'll start with the Content tab. And we'll create a little bit of content. We'll call this the Moving Red Box. All right, let's go ahead and edit our moving red box. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some stuff to it. We're going to add a red box. We're going to make it a red box by adding some styles. First of all, we'll make it a box that is 50 pixels tall and 50 pixels wide. We're going to make it red. And the final thing we're going to do is set the positioning to relative, and that will allow us to move the red box. Alright, so we've already got a red box defined. Now we need to make it move. So we'll do that by adding a gradual JavaScript. We'll call this move box. We're going to add some we're going to add a parameter to it. And we'll call that this section. I'm going to do a little bit of JavaScript magic here. And a little bit more JavaScript magic. Alright, we'll go ahead and update that, and we'll add one last thing, and that would be an action sequence. And that will allow us to call the JavaScript that we just wrote, move box, when the page loads, and we'll pass in the red box section. There we go. Update. Give it a name. Alright, so let's go ahead and preview that. And there we go, we've got a moving red box. Okay, well that's nice, but if we want to add it to our web page with a URL that you can actually type into a web browser, we need to add it to our sitemap. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll add a piece of content, or we'll add a page file, if you will, and we'll call it Moving Red Box Demo. We'll point it straight to our new moving red box content. Go ahead and update that. And now if we went to the development version of the website, which we can because we're logged in, and we go to MRB Demo, we've got our moving red box. Now in the Newbound software library, we've got 3 separate staging environments. The development environment where you actually manipulate the content, the staging environment where you would preview and approve the content, and then the live environment, which is actually available to the public at large. Okay, so we've got our new moving red box in development. It does not yet exist in staging or on the live site until we promote it. So we'll go ahead and promote that all the way to live, and we'll promote the sitemap that points to it to live as well. And so now we should be able to go to site/MRB demo. There we go. Okay, so go back to our content and we modify our JavaScript ever so slightly. Take a look at preview. Okay, so now we've got one that moves diagonally. Woohoo. All right, so if we went to, for example, dev MRB demo, we've got one that moves diagonally. If we go to the live sites, we've got one. We haven't promoted it yet. So, if you will, we would go to the staging tab and promote it to staging, where you can view it at staging. All right, but live, there we go. So unless we promote it all the way to live, now if we go to site, there it is. All right, so you get the idea. Other things you can do, upload resources. This content is also available via FTP, and that's basically the content that's available through the content management system, the static content, shockwave files, images, audio files, etc. And we've also got a users tab.